Alright, so breaking through the murky water, I watched as an eye peered into mine, and then it disappeared back into the depths. That eye was a black-tipped shark. Today I'll be showing you how to catch a shark. It works for all different species. It's not limited to anything. I've caught hammerheads, black tips, Atlantic, sharp nose, almost everything. And for my travels, that's where I've learned how to do this. I've gone shark fishing multiple times, and I've been very successful. So the process is going to start with bait. You have to get bait, and then you're going to find the right spot in the ocean, and then you're going to top it off by actually catching a shark. Now let's get into it. So you're going to start off with bait. So you need to find pelicans. So pelicans dive into the water, and they actually eat these bait fish. And under pelicans, there's a really good population of these bait fish. So you're gonna want to cast a net and then retrieve it. You'll have a pretty good amount of bait fish, depending on how many sharks you want to catch. Catch more bait fish, catch less. It's up to you. And then you're gonna want to go to deeper waters. So in the deeper waters, there's these fish. They're called bonito fish. They're a lot like tuna. That is what bonito fish looks like. So you're gonna want to basically put the bait fish on the hook and then throw it out in the deeper water, about 200 foot deep, and then you're gonna get one of those to bite. Reel that in. It's not that hard. They're pretty small. They're fun to catch. And after you get that, you have all the bait you need, and you're gonna be able to head inland. So to find the right spot, you need to find shallow water, 4 to 5 foot. So how you can do that is you go into the ocean, and it's basically a submerged island. So it's 4 to 5 foot, and you'll see waves like picking up almost as if they were coming into a beach. That's how you know there's a submerged island there. And you'll look, and clearly it'll be 4 to 5 foot. So now that you're in the right spot, you're going to want to start getting ready to actually catch the sharks. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take out a bonito fish and cut it up. Throw like half of it in the water. The blood's going to attract sharks from miles. And once these sharks smell the blood, they'll come in. So you're also going to want to put that bonito fish on a hook, send it out in the water. You're going to want to put it 10 foot away from the boat, pretty close. So that's the shark getting attracted to bait. And then, so when the pole bends, there's a shark on it. It's not mistakable. It doesn't just kind of bend. I mean, it goes, because it's a 150-pound fish. You're going to want to grab it. So the first thing a shark does when it learns that it's hooked is it goes on a run, a sprint. And it'll get extremely exhausted on this first sprint because it doesn't exactly know what's going on. This is why you're in 5 foot of water, because if you were in 200 foot water, it would go straight down. It would break itself off on something deep. So after that, you're going to want to start reeling it in. Now you don't want to reel it in when there's constant tension on the pole, because you'll break the line. It's a 200-pound fish. It can break the line pretty easily. So you're going to want to wear it out. It takes a while. It's going to be pulling you, and it's not going to be able to because you're in a boat. So afterwards, when it's like weak, it's just going to be easy. You're going to be able to reel it in. It's 150 pounds, so it's going to be a while. And that first run could be anywhere from a half a mile to 2 miles, ranging from 2 to 4 minutes of just straight line going out. So you got to be ready for that and be ready to hold on. But once you finally get the shark to the boat, it's extremely satisfying. There's nothing like it. So using the proper process, you can catch the apex predator of the ocean. Starting at bait and then finding the right position, and then finally catching the shark itself. And as I recall looking into the shark's eye, I saw a distinct look of defeat and disappointment, and it being overpowered and outsmarted, disappearing into the ocean with a cloud of depression and shame. So.